Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I am back with a VR for my dear, sweet, wonderful friend, Miss Jeannie Dreemer. And Jeannie is having a challenge on her channel right now, and she asked for some small things because she doesn't have a lot of room in her apartment where she's at. Now, I don't want to show the small things because I want you to be surprised, Jeannie. But I'm sending them in this. And I figured this would be okay because it's flat and it could slide in a drawer, but it's going to house the small things inside. So I figured storage, and it would mail nicely and it would be nice and flat. And I made it with some beautiful fabric that was gifted to me by the lovely Jeannie. Even though I'm outing you, Jeannie. She asked me not to do a video on it, but she did send me this beautiful fabric, and I've been very inspired by it. I've made a perfume bottle out of it, and I also made this clutch with it as well. Um, and the other thing that I was inspired by was Olivia Hernandez, because she had just made a clutch. And I think she's got a couple on her channel, but she had just done one recently, and this one was in progress for about a week. But I hadn't really gotten back to finishing it. But I was inspired by Olivia because she had put a gorgeous black and white image at the top of hers, and I had this image and this image already printed off. So I thought, oh, that would look so pretty on the front. So I wanted to say that I was inspired by Olivia for this part of the clutch as well. But Olivia used a placemat and I used fabric, so that it differs in that respect. But the idea to put the picture on there was inspired by my dear friend Olivia. Hey, Olivia. So that's where my jumping off point was to finish this. And of course, all of the laces and trims are from KS4U. And I just wanted to make it really shabby and really pretty. And yeah, I just kept it in neutral colors for you, Jeannie. And I've added this great big huge piece of bling here because why not? And it is got this lovely fabric here, this netting fabric, and then the back is finished off with this beautiful cording trim, and then this lovely Venice trim at the bottom on the back there. And then I put this heart applique there, and then I finished off the edges with some Chinese braid. And then you can see on the front here, I've just kind of added appliques and things all around the image, and some pearls and flatbacks and a couple of little satin flowers here. And then the bottom of the lace that was on it has these dimensional flowers, so you can see those there. And there's a flower applique over here and another one over here. And then when you lift it up, it's got this gorgeous beautiful trim from KS4U here, and then a dangle trim right there. And then I added 3 or 4 little fabric flowers with some silver bling. And then the top has some bridal appliques here, and then another beautiful trim here, and then this beautiful pearl dangle from KS4U, so that when the clutch is closed, it dangles down like that. So that's what the clutch is and what it looks like. And I'm going to have the link for Jeannie's challenge in the description box below, and I will also have a link to Olivia's video where I was inspired by doing this on my clutch. That will also be in the description box. And so you can go and check out both of those. And I hope you will join in Jeannie's challenge. She's a very sweet, dear lady, and one of the happiest people and lights in our crafting community. So please go over and check out her challenge and join in. And that's it for now. I hope you like it, Jeannie. I'll talk to you soon, my friend. Bye, everybody.